guys, we are packed on the truck, cars on the trailer, and we are headed to Englishtown Raceway Park right now. Special thanks to Jersey. Rich Nicoletti, if you're watching this vlog, thank you so much for helping me out with the trailer. Got the vet loaded. Everything looks great. Now it's time to go slay some Falken tires. Special thanks to Kansai Wheels and all the sponsors for getting us out there. Today is the first initial real test that you guys know of. And I can't thank Chris Knapp enough for making this. Oh no! That was my monster. I can't believe you guys just saw that. You caught that on tape. Gonna go grab breakfast with Chris, get his school car all set up, vinyl it up, and yeah, it's super hot right now. Before it was only like 60 degrees when I left the house this morning, and it just ended up being a lot hotter than I expected. So, gonna head over, take this drive, trailer the rig. Rig looks good back there. Look at that thing. Woo! Big boy. Whoa! Where'd you come from?
I came from my bed.
You're gonna see the worst trailer skills in the world.
Take this turns wide, and when you back up, opposites go opposite.
Opposite goes opposite.
Yeah.
Do whatever you think is the wrong thing to do.
That's it. It's not called the Bagel Hut. I don't know.
Oh, plug in your business.
Oh, East Coast Drift School. If you ever want to learn how to drift, I provide the car, or you can provide yours.
And show them the merch. Show them the merch that's dropping. Oh yeah.
East Coast Drift School. Hell yeah, brother.
I think I spelled East right.
You did. And coast and drift and but not school.
Yeah, I'm a shot, dude.
I guess we're gonna go to Monica's car.
Are you Stacy's mom?
She's got it going on. that was too good not to do that.
You know you have to put soap on it, right?
I did already.
Did you? You missed a spot. Hey, is your wheels matching?
Don't worry about it.
Unloading the trailer, getting the car back on the ground, and we'll see what this puppy can do. Monica, it's not a mirror. Stop checking yourself out. So you got some tire left on the scrubs. Gonna get it off the trailer. Monica's gonna drive it today. What do you think you're doing?
Going to donuts.
I think you were in. Those self-tappers obviously didn't work. We'll fix that really quick.
Oops.
Oops, fixed it. What's better than drifting?
Pork, egg, and cheese.
Breakfast. Cheers. Alright guys, this is the first lap. Oh well, we'll see how it goes. I'm a little nervous. Yo, I pulled my e-brake and don't work. It's a lot faster than in 1J.
Well, I know that, but you also don't have to be in fourth gear.
Oh yeah.
You don't have to be in second neither. You can pick third. There should be enough power.
That was third.
That's what I'm saying.
That was scary.
Get the e-brake hot. You picked the snappiest chassis possible.
Woo. can't breathe. It's one thing better than the 240 I didn't spin. Not gonna lie, this is by far the most funnest drift car ever. Don't even talk, just go get your helmet. Go get your helmet, go get your helmet, go get your helmet. Yeah. It's got a Shender. Have fun, buddy. So I got Chris Knapp with the GoPro. I just drove this thing. It is by far the most fun car I've ever driven. Hands down, even Joey Mac's S13 that he built was a little too much for me. This car sucks, so it's perfect. Never liked myself. Valid point. Oh wow, it looks so good sideways. Oh my God!
I'm wrecked tired.
No, I don't care, dude. How does it feel?
I heard it. I heard him start to flap. I said, okay, I'm in the middle of the bank and they're starting to flap. And then,
dude,
I had no grip, so I bailed and just locked them all up.
I don't care. How'd it feel?
It feels really good.
Oh, we lost the GoPro?
It has potential, dude.
Yeah?
It's a very finessey car. As weird as that sounds with a V8 big American thing, it's a lot of finesse.
What do you think?
Oh my God, it's awesome. Will I buy one? No.
No.
I'm just gonna steal yours.
Overall review on the Vette. Halden American suspension, stiff, not soft, super grippy, controllable. D&D steering wheel, amazing. I cannot thank those guys enough. The suede wheel and the quick release. Not only is it not in my chest, it is superb to the point where I can toss the car exactly where I want it. The wheel feels very light in your hand. I don't like the really thick, grippy leather steering wheels. So the suede wheel kind of makes it really easy to kind of grip it, not have an issue. And then I like how the suede doesn't burn my hands when I drive with no glove. Siki Hydro, I don't think Cody and I bled it enough. This is a test day, so we also were just trying to figure things out. We definitely need a rebleed. It does lock up after like 3 or 4 pumps, but when you finally do lock it up, it feels amazing. The Drift HQ dual caliper setup is perfect. Locks when I need it to. With the proper bleed process, I think the Hydra is going to be amazing. I'm going to try and figure out, because the VLSD does get a little hot, so we do need to figure out something like with that specific process. It does not like running hot, so we're also going to have to try and figure out some fans, a couple other things, but other than that, I think this is like the perfect car to start drifting. V8, it just wants more. That's the problem with this car, is like you already feel like you're going really fast and it still wants to go faster. So we're gonna lock that in. We're gonna test suspension now, but I know we didn't get any outside track footage, but we really don't have anybody filming for us to do that. So please enjoy the GoPro clips. I know Chris Knapp's review was more just on my camera on the outside, but we're gonna try and figure something out for you guys. But take it easy. What are you, mental?
Possibly.
Whose tires are these?
My dad.
Oh man. For your school car? For your car?
I don't have a lesson plate.
I've been to Englishtown before. They do have tire machines. You can come here, change your tires, and then go back out on the track. Ooh. I scared the shit out of Killian.
Predictions, is it gonna work?
Be perfect.
Sweet.
The gas door's open.
I pulled the handbrake and I hit the volume button and it went really high. So when I spun, I started dancing.
All right, guys, that's the end of today's video. Chris,
This car is amazing.
you like it?
This car is amazing.
So I got the approval from Chris Knapp. He's gonna drive this car a lot more. We're actually gonna get a real test. This was a good test, but now we know what to fix and what we have to do and to perfect it. And definitely gonna have to hit up my boy Nick over at Falcon. We're gonna get the tire size corrected. You were running at what, like 80 PSI?
Yeah, with the 275, that's too much.
And he lasted maybe not even like, what, 2 laps? 3 laps?
I think a 255/35 at 50 PSI.
Would be the best bet.
Yeah. Well, that's one of their sticky Johnnies,
Yeah.
the 615s.
But other than that, for right out of factory, slap some knuckles, coilovers, and a dual caliper kit.
The gearing's perfect too.
Yeah.
That's what I love.
Did you
about
ever
this
think it
car.
was gonna drift like this? Honestly. No.
You know, honestly, I didn't know what to expect. Like, it was like a 50-50 shot that it was either going to be just like how it is or a twitchy, horrible mess. And it's not. It's just,
It's nice.
it's nice. Yeah, it's really good.